See here, operations on fractions. Operations means, see, the multiplication, division, plus, minus, that is known as an operation. Fraction means what? To describe a whole part. And how to write the fractions in a upon type. That is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 6, 7 upon 5. Okay. Next is, if for example, if this is a whole circle, then how I will write only 1. If I will divide the whole circle into two parts, I will write half half. If I will divide the circle into four parts, then I will write 1 upon 4. If I will remove one part out of 4, then it is left 3 upon 4. Okay. For example, see here, there are total of 5 children. How many? 5 children. There are total of 5 children. Okay. 3 out of girls, 3 out of 5 are girls. So the fractions of in 3/5, that is 3 upon 5. How? First we have to write the total part, the whole part you will write downside, that is 5. How many children are there? That is 5 children are there, correct? And the above side you will write how out of 5 how many they have removed. 3 they have removed and said that 3 is a girl, so you will write 3 above. Okay, the above part is known as a numerator. Okay, and the downside, that is 5, it is called as denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. If you are writing the above number, you will call the numerator, and the down number you will call the denominator. ऊपर के number को हम बोलते हैं, it means 3 is a numerator. Okay, and 5 is the denominator. Okay, so what is that? If the question will ask that they want to divide, okay, उनको अलग उसमें से निकालना है थोड़ा सा, so what you will do, you will write the total number downside and removing part, the divided part, the above side. Okay, see the next example. 2 out of 5 are boys. Now this is the girls. Now 2 out of 5, so 2 will come above and 5 are boys, so total number are 5, so you will write 5. So the fraction of boys is 2/5. Fraction of boys is 2/5, that is numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. This is the first example how to write the fractions. Okay, ये पहला example आपको दिया कि fractions कैसे लिखना है. एक और, that is the second way also how to write the fractions. Okay, there are two types how to write the fractions. This is the first type, that total. Remember numerator and denominator, don't get confused in numerator and denominator. Okay, न्यूमरेटर अगर हमको कोई चीज को निकाल के उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल राइट टोटल नंबर इन द डिनोमिनेटर and the divided part in the numerator. Okay, understood? Total number denominator and the divided part will be, wait, numerator. Okay, so this is the first type how to write the fractions, that is total number will be denominator and the removing part means the explaining part, the dividing part will be the numerator. Okay, now we will see the next page. Now here it is a second example. Second example means, for example, if you are sharing it. If you are distributing anything, any chocolate or anything, and if you are sharing with anyone, so in that case you have to write total number in the numerator. टोटल नंबर आपको कहाँ पे लिखना है, न्यूमेरेटर में, और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा, आप कितनों के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, शेयर. See, the question is given, share 6 biscuit equally among 3 children. It means what the question is saying, that you have to share the 6 biscuit equally among 3 children. You have to share with the 3 children. So the 3 children will come the denominator, and the total biscuit is 6. So you will write above. Understood the two types? This is the second type, how to write the fractions. Okay, if you are dividing and explaining that, so you have to write total number downside. But if you are sharing or distributing it, so you have to write the total number at the numerator side. Now understood the difference between two types. Okay, so what is that? That 6 upon 3. What they told, that 6 total biscuit is 6. Okay, biscuit. So total biscuit is 6. You have to share it among the 3 children. So you will write 6 upon 3. Now 6 upon 3, you have to divide it. Both the numbers goes in the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It means you have to, the one children will get 2 biscuits. The one children will get 2 biscuits. Here you got the answer. Okay. Understood the two types? Come on, reply me. Okay, it means all of you understood. Very good. Now I am rubbing it. Okay. Now, what is the next screen? There are types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? There are 3 types of fraction. Okay, there are 3 types of fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Here we will see what is proper, what is improper, and what is mixed fraction. First is proper fraction. Proper fraction means fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Proper fraction matlab kya? When the numerator will be less than the denominator. See, example is given. Example is given, if that is 3 upon 4, means the numerator is less than the denominator. The denominator is bigger na, and numerator is less. So it is a proper fraction. Whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, it is known as a proper fraction. And what is the improper fraction? Improper fraction means, fraction in which the numerator is more than or equal. In improper fraction मतलब कि numerator जो है denominator से बड़ा रहेगा या तो equal रहेगा. For example is given. See, 4 upon 4. It means the both are equal. Numerator is also equal to denominator. So it will become improper fraction. And the second example is 4 upon 3. It means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it will become a improper fraction. Okay. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction consists of a whole number along with a proper fraction. Mixed fraction means mixed fraction consists of a whole number. That is, see here, example is given, that is 1, and it also consists of proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator will be less than the denominator. It is like this, 1, 3 upon 4. So what is that? It consists a whole number also. 1 is a whole number and 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4, it means numerator is less than the denominator. So it will become a mixed fraction. It will become a mixed fraction. Understood? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Understood? 3 types of fraction. How many apple you have to distribute with the how many children? It is given there in the column. What is that? 6 apple you have to distribute in the 2. So 6 divided by 2. So your answer will be 3. How your answer will be 3? 2 3s are 6. Next is 4 apple distribute with the 2 children. So you will divide 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So your answer will be 2. It means that each one children will get a 2 apples. Okay. Next is 1 apple you have to distribute. You have to share with the 2 children. So what it will come? It will come in half half, because why? It is a half apple. Okay. So what is that? 1 divided by 2 and your answer will be half. Okay. Your answer will be half because you have to, because you have, there is only 1 apple and 7 apple divide, you have to distribute among 2 children. So your answer will be 7 upon 2. See here, 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is your proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Next is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 is your improper fraction. Why? Because 7 is greater than the denominator, that is 2. Okay. Now you have to now convert here. This is your exercise side. Okay, now do conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Here it is given an improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction diya gaya hai. You have to convert it into a mixed fraction. Okay, now so what is here? That if 7 apple are divided equally between 2 people, okay, if 7 apple